Hola friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I partnered up with Reynaldo to bring you this delicious taco de chorizo recipe. We're gonna start off by making some fresh homemade corn tortillas. These are super simple to make. All you need is fresh masa and a tortilla press. Once our tortillas are finished, we're going to get started on our salsa. Start by placing your tomatillos, jalapenos, and serranos on the grill until they get a nice char all around. Once they are done, go ahead and remove them from the grill and place them into your blender with garlic, cilantro, chicken bouillon, and salt to taste. Blend until you get a smooth consistency. Now we're going to grill our chorizo. This chorizo is new from Reynaldo's. They are called Reynaldo's Chorizo Grillers. Listen, you guys, I know this is a sponsored video, but these honestly taste so amazing. Once they're thoroughly cooked, go ahead and place it on a tortilla and garnish it however you like. I personally love my tacos con todo. Thank you again to Reynaldo Chorizo Grillers for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.